Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told the formula above, h is equal to 1.88L plus 32.01, can be used to approximate the height h in inches of an adult male based on the length L in inches of his femur. We're asked what is the meaning of 1.88 in this context. So this is a linear equation in slope-intercept form. Normally we'd see it as y is equal to mx plus b, but we're not dealing with x and y in this case. We have h is equal to ml plus b, where we have h is equal to L times some number plus another number. And b is going to be representing the y-intercept. So this is the value of h when L is 0, which would be the height if you had a femur of 0 inches. And then L is the rate of change of h as L changes. So it's the increase in h for an increase in 1 of the L. So we would say, okay, if you're increasing L by 1, you would be increasing h by m, or in this case, 1.88. So what is the meaning of 1.88? It is the increase in h for an increase in 1 inch in L. So it's the increase in the height h for a 1 inch increase in femur length. D is going to be your final answer. If you don't recognize that as slope-intercept form, then you could just plug in different values for L, plug in 0 and 1, and then notice the difference from 0 to 1 is 1.88. So therefore, the change per inch is 1.88, and you'd get the same answer, D. But I think that's a little bit more complicated than it has to be. Simply just look at the slope-intercept form and interpret the slope. Either way, you get D, though. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.